Hi, James Acuna, Sunset RV, Bonnie Lake, Washington. Thanks for clicking on the link to see our quick video on the 2013 Forest River Berkshire 36QL stock number N314. This is a 36-foot diesel pusher, 340 horsepower Cummins. As we walk in, we will have high gloss polished tile. We have a standalone dinette with a hutch. We have an L-shaped slide-out sofa and air mattress bed. Corner flat screen TV. Large counter space, hard surfaces, 12 cubic foot refrigerator. 12 3-burner stove. Convention microwave. Center shower opposite of the enclosed bathroom. Washer dryer stack. Full closet, king size bed. Once again, thanks for clicking on the link to see our quick video. For more information, please give me a call today at the number above in today's internet special pricing. Have a good day.